Want to create professional architectural walkthrough animations using AI? In this tutorial, I'll show you how I used Sand.ai to generate a stunning walkthrough animation of an architectural building, all inside your browser and with zero rendering required. Search Sand.ai or link is in description. Create new project. Click on Upload Photo and select the image you want to animate. Click on plus icon. Write a prompt. For example, a walkthrough animation of an architectural building. Set time duration to 5 sec and hit on generate. It will charge 50 credits on sign up. You receive 500 free credits. Done. Double click on this download button. Download the video. Try Sand.ai, 100% browser-based. No rendering. Great for architects and designers. Subscribe to Silent Architect AI Studio for more AI tools, tutorials, and walkthroughs every week.